hairdresser, right? I'm not telling you guys about the nail product. I'm just want her to give a review about the nail product. So, she tell me say her nail did a itch her and she want one of the nail product, right? Tell me, Mary.
It's really, really good. I used it for like maybe 6 weeks and everything changed. But the day after I got it, like the second day when I use it, no itching, nothing, I felt nothing. My nail clear up
Oh God, you
and
see?
everything. Me not even using no more. I just
And
use
honestly, I
it.
don't think you need to use it no more.
I just use it
Just
like Monday, but me not use it for like couple weeks good
so
now.
when you just start use it, um, how you do? When you just start use it consistent couple days?
Yes.
Okay,
Like
cause
I use it mornings
mhm.
and evenings after my shower.
Okay, good.
But after that,
It's like you don't need to
to
use it
use it
again.
again.
So you told it that itch of it all
Very,
long.
like, how would I say? Maybe couple
Oh
months.
God. And when just use the product, after you use it, um, how long it take to stop itch you?
Okay.
Exactly.
Like, alright. When I use it the first day,
Yeah.
it stopped. But in the night, it come back. But after I use it that day,
Yeah. So you say the second time you use it, you see the improvement.
of course, no itching
Chin, and it did that itch of it for months.
months.
Oh my God. Thank you for this review. And guys, me know I'm a hairdresser, but me know she not go come tell me no foolishness because she's so raw. And sometimes me even afraid to say things to her because she's so plain. And if it not good, I tell you say it not good. If you do something and she not like it, I tell you straight say that not good and something needs to be done about it. So I'm glad me have your review and I appreciate it. And you say because we did actually give her 6 year leave 6 out here so she can introduce it to our customer them.
Like last week one of my clients, the nail tech come,
Right.
and she said to me, Mary, something you do really good.
Oh gosh. So, I appreciate that, honestly. So with me, you see, I'm a married finger, They did damage, They damage my married finger did damage, And when me I want me used to hold on my hand like this, like me have it down in your so I used to feel so ashamed and embarrassed about it. And I saw me make the product and use it for myself. And I soaked my hand in there for 5 nights.
But this is not the first. You gave me one before. I will leave it open and it dry.
Yeah.
And when you came back and introduced it to me again, we decided to go buy it.
Right.
And immediately we see result.
Oh gosh.
No, as I said before, it eats me the night.
Yeah, you use it the first time
Yeah,
and it still itch you.
yes.
So the first day you use it, it still itch you, but the second time,
day.
the second day after you use it, that was it.
That was it.
And it not itch you back.
Because
No, no,
you know
no,
me
no.
love my foot,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. You know,
I
you
love
know,
my feet. And we will do anything to take care of it.
yeah.
That thing is really good. And I put it then in the buy a beauty supply and
Yeah,
not even temporary fix them.
right.
But
Wow.
this is permanent, I'm telling you.
Me need to actually try get it in the beauty supply them here too. I think me need to find a way how to get it in a Massachusetts store.
It's really, really
It helped. Me know say it helped because it worked for me, it worked for my mother-in-law, it worked for so many other people. And tell me about my product. Truly appreciate it because the more people use it, I have a couple of people will purchase it before too. I'm gonna reach out to them to give me a review because we actually have their number. You call them, they take them number. I'm saving on my phone.
But then I always put up them good. Though.
Yeah.
I mean, I get no sauce.
No, because me not do the sauce no more, because of the city, yeah. City have a public kitchen for do it, so I just say forget
So
it.
like, make it
No, me make it when me I go use it, but me just make a small amount and me I go use it. But yeah, yeah. I come from America, nobody else not do made.
big, you see?
My head big.
Eyebrow.
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah. No, you see my eyebrow? I something like that, you know.
And you know, say, as you get older, you get to that. You get lighter.
Yeah. Angry, come in there.
I wish my girl like come, sister girl. One time.
Everything?
Pretty. And she have one nice texture on you.
Yeah. But this one is a little black.
All over.
My one and only hairdresser in America. The one and only hairdresser in America.